It's May Eve, and I just want to show you the flowers and the fair yarrow, thanks to learning about it from Michael Fortune and family. Picking the yarrow on May Eve and placing it underneath my pillow will show me my true love. I hope the answer is that I am my own true love and that I care for myself. My hands have bog on them from grounding myself by holding the bog. So this beautiful sunny evening from the yarrow will decorate with the abundance of nature. Tomorrow, a whole new day. Da 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 dee da 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 da. La da 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 dee. Oh yay. What you gonna do in May? Me, I'm gonna connect with my inner nature and the abundance of outer nature. With such gratitude and reverence. I'm going to drink juice, fresh juice. I'm going to try wild foods. I'm going to listen to the birds. I'm going to do art. I'm going to sing. I'm going to create the reality that I can see is possible.